Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to make sure your subtitles are visible after exporting from Descript. First, before exporting, click the Captions button at the top and verify that your captions are generated and visible on the preview screen. If you don't see them there, they won't appear in your export. Next, click Export at the top right. Make sure MP4 video is selected as your format. Look for the toggle that says Burn in Captions or Include Captions. It must be switched on. This is the most common reason subtitles disappear. Now, check your caption styling. In the caption sidebar, make sure your text color contrasts with your video background. White text on a light background will be invisible. Change the text color or add a dark background box behind your text. Check your caption size. If your font size is too small, the text will be unreadable after export. Increase the size to at least 24 pixels for standard videos. If your captions still don't appear, try changing the caption preset to a different style. Sometimes a style glitch prevents burning. Switch from standard to large or custom, then export again. Finally, open your exported video in a standard video player like VLC or your phone's gallery. Do not rely on the preview window in your browser. Some browsers don't show burned-in subtitles correctly during preview. And that's it. Generate captions, turn on burn-in, check contrast and size, switch presets if needed, and verify in a real video player. If this fixed your subtitle visibility, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.